So Rachel is about to eat a chocolate-covered scorpion. Alright, let's see this happen.
I'm kind of scared.
Go for it.
I won't taste it, alright, because it's chocolate covered.
I don't know, you told me that after you take a bite.
Yeah.
Go.
I can't do it.
You just paid $1.50 for that.
I
Eat
know,
it.
I'm
Go.
having second thoughts
Go.
now.
Go. 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 Go.
Oh, I can't do it!
Just eat the tail.
I can't do it.
Go.
It's like, I can see his butt from where I did it! Okay, I'm going.
How was it?
God.
How was that? How did that taste?
I saw his butt.
How did that taste?
Let's go.